Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate shipping at ACBuy. To get started, open ACBuy in your web browser and go to the home page. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to look at the top right area of the screen. This is where you'll find the shipping fee estimation option. Click on that to open the estimation tool. After the estimation page appears, you'll see a field labeled Warehouse To. This is where you choose the destination for your shipping estimate. Click on that field to open the list of available options. From there, select the sample destination shown in the process. This step is important because shipping costs can vary depending on where the package is being sent, so making the correct selection helps ensure the estimate is relevant. Next, move to the weight field and enter the weight of the package. Be sure to type in the sample weight shown. Accuracy matters here because shipping fees are often calculated based heavily on weight. If the number is off, the estimate may not reflect the actual expected cost. Once the weight has been entered, continue to the product type section. Click to open the available product type choices, then select the sample product type. This part helps the system better categorize the shipment, which can also affect pricing or available shipping methods. If you're using this process for your own package later, make sure the product type matches what you're actually sending. When all of the required details are filled in, click on the Check Now button. This tells the estimator to process the destination, weight, and product type information you entered. After a brief moment, the estimated shipping fee will display on the page. This is the result you're looking for. You can review the estimate shown and use it to better understand the likely shipping cost for that package setup. As a general tip, if the estimate seems higher or lower than expected, it's worth double-checking the destination, weight, and product type fields before running the calculation again. Even a small change in weight or category can affect the final estimate, and that's all there is to it. By using the shipping fee estimation tool on ACBuy, you can quickly check expected shipping costs before moving forward. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you calculate shipping on ACBuy with confidence.